Hey there, Luke with Canix here. Today we're going to be covering Canix's new functionality in the manufacturing module, Select All Previous Outputs. This functionality helps for larger runs when we've created a number of output tags across earlier runs and need to use more than one tag in a subsequent run. Instead of having to click for each tag, we can select the tags that we need to use, as well as search across the runs we have submitted, search across the tags we have created, and the output items themselves. So I have this manufacturing batch here with 2 runs that have already been submitted. I have 3 output package tags I've created across the 2 runs. Now when we're going into run 3, we'll be able to come to the Inputs tab here, select Add Input, Previous Outputs, and now we'll search across all of the previous outputs that were created in this manufacturing batch. When we click down here, we'll be able to see all 3 package tags that have been created. I have not filtered this search just yet. We can select all if we would like to use all 3 of the tags. And we can also search by run name, item, or tag. So if we just wanted to look at run 2 instead of run 1, I can search 2 here, and we'll just pull up all of the output package tags created in run 2. Similarly, if I just wanted to look for bulk flower, for example, we can search bulk, and you can see here we filter the list to just the Wi-Fi bulk flower output items created in run 1. And if we just wanted a tag, we could say, all right, we're using tag 2761, and Canix will filter just for that tag, and we can select it here. If we did have tens and tens of source tags that we need to use here that were output tags, and they're across all the runs, we can just go and select all, and Canix will pull these in, allocate the quantity that's currently on the package, and we can go ahead and quickly add all these without having to do it package by package. I hope that this new functionality in manufacturing makes large run management easier, and thank you for watching.